everybody, I am Wendy. Today I want to talk about the differences between electric galvanizing and hot dip galvanizing. First, hot dip galvanization yields a strong and thick coating, but generally it has a dull and gray finish. Hot dip galvanization is known to have a very long life, averaging between 20 to 50 years. It's usually 40 to 60 micron. Generally, the layer formed by electric galvanization is extremely thin. Hence, the life expectancy of layer is less than that of the hot dip material. It's usually 4 to 5 micron. Yes. Second, we galvanize products in different ways to accommodate their intended purpose. Building materials designed for structural support are commonly hot dipped to ensure durability and longevity. Products that are easily replaceable, like outdoor furniture and gardening tools, are more likely to be electric galvanized. That's all. Thank you.